What's going on, guys? Back with another video. We went back to the full unboxing setup with the camera up here, camera in front of me. The last video I was not feeling. So I said I'm gonna try to make you guys more videos, and I'm excited about this one. We have a brand new hairstyling care package from Tomb45. It's been over a year we've been working on this. This is the full bundle. I'm gonna open it up, show you guys what all we have to offer. Probably won't test them all out in these videos, but if you guys wanna know more, I'll have some more videos in the future using some of these products. And of course, you can check them out on tomb45.com. So let's go ahead and open up this care package. I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. All right, so similar to our Babyliss care packages, you can see Tomb45 on the front. Go ahead and open it up. And your boy designed all of this, so I kind of already know what's in here. It says, Tomb45 Education Team, we're excited to share something new with you. Our latest line of hairstyling products and aftershaves. These products were crafted with the same dedication to quality and innovation that defines everything we do at Tomb45. As the face of our brand in classrooms, stages, and online, your influence is powerful. We wanted you to be among the first to experience what's next. Thank you for your continued passion, loyalty, and commitment to elevating the industry. Tomb45 team, and I made this little flyer too. Tell me that thing don't look good. I'm not gonna go over all of this because it's all in the box. Let's go ahead and move this out of the way and see what's inside the box. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and get all of this out. We got sea salt spray, hair tonic, aftershave red, aftershave blue, aftershave green. We have a paste, destructible clay, we'll get to that in a second, indestructible clay, pomade, and royal wax. Let's go ahead and move this out of the way. All right, so we'll start off with some of the styling products. You guys can see here, this is the Tomb45 paste. This is one of my favorite products. I have been using these a little bit already, guys. This is very similar to the clay, but with just a little bit of shine. So I actually ran out of clay, started to use the paste for a while, and it's gonna be a pretty solid hold, but with a little bit shine where the clay has no shine. So if you guys like that, something in between, not so crispy like a gel, but something with a little bit of shine and a good hold, you're gonna wanna check this paste out. Next up, we have the Royal Wax. Now, if you're an OG Tomb45 fan, you guys know the Royal Wax. We have had it way back in the day. I don't really know how to describe this. This is gonna be more of a moisturizing product somewhat. I use it to add moisture to super dry, thick, coarse hair. Not a whole lot of hold, not a whole lot of shine, just somewhere right in the middle. So just maybe a looser style, you wanna add this, maybe some curls, maybe some waves, things like that. You can put it on top. It's gonna give some shine, like I said, add some moisture to the hair, but not a ton of hold. Just something I like to add on to certain styles when it just needs a little touch of something. Next up, if you look at this at a glance, destructible clay looks very familiar, but guys, this is destructible clay, not indestructible clay. And I'll be transparent with you guys. When we ordered all this in, we wanted the OG indestructible clay. This showed up and it wasn't the same. So we decided, because it was a little bit softer, a little bit less hold, a little bit more pliable, not as thick and hard as the indestructible clay, that we're gonna put out a second clay, because a lot of people that had the samples that were incorrect actually loved this product. So this is destructible clay. A little bit less hold, pretty much the same as the clay, just not quite as strong. So if you guys want something with a little more movement, you wanna check out the destructible clay. Look at all this green foam from the box, guys. We got the indestructible clay. So like I said, we had a little bit of an error malfunction on the destructible clay. This is the OG indestructible clay that you guys love, that I love, that we've had for all these years. It went away for a few years, but it's back alongside of all these other great products. Now the clay is gonna do a nice firm hold, very matte finish. It's what's in my hair every day. This is what I use on a lot of my clients, my absolute favorite products. You can also put it in wet and use it for certain styles as well. I just put it in my hair dry, and you get this nice little textured look, and it can move around all day. So that's my favorite. Moving on to the last, the pomade. Now, this is gonna operate pretty similar to most pomades that you guys have used. So very shiny, pretty good hold. Not something I use a lot of, but if I get those slick back, those nice side part pompadours, stuff like that, we're gonna pull out the pomade and get a nice shiny look. Maybe for some curls or some waves as well if you want that look to finish off those styles. So that is the 5 products. You guys can see them here. And the best thing about this, guys, is the price point has come down. I believe it's around $12 on the website. I'm gonna put a link down in the description if you guys wanna go grab any of these to check out at tomb45.com/Seancutshair. You guys can save 10% on any of this stuff or any of these that we're about to check out. All right, so first up we have the Aftershave Cologne. So this is the red, doesn't have a fancy name, it's just red. It's gonna be a little spicier of some tones. Somebody asked me how to describe the red. I don't really know all those, proper terms for colognes, the sandalwood and the this and that and the other, but it is a little like spicier, a little stronger. The other two are really fresh. So this is gonna be a little hotter, spicier, and that's why it's red. So if I'm being honest, guys, this is my number 3 favorite out of the 3. And we'll get to my number 2 and then my number 1. And next we have my second favorite, guys. This is the green aftershave. This is gonna smell like the shave gel. So if you guys are fans of how the shave gel smells, that aloe smell, it's obviously green just like it, you're gonna love this one. So super fresh, super clean, kind of like that clean Dove soap. And this is my second favorite. I really kind of go back and forth. I'll just grab one, spray it on the next client and kind of shuffle through. But this is my number 2. But if you wanna know what my number 1 is, it is gonna be the blue. So here's the blue aftershave. You guys can see all 3 very much the same as far as bottle, the label, all of that. This is just called blue, and this is the freshest scent, I would say, out of the 3. So this is just super clean, smells like a cologne. My clients are like, man, my wife's gonna ask me where I've been when I go home after I use the blue aftershave. So this is absolutely the first one that I grab every time. Even sometimes if I'm leaving from work to go, let's say to go out to eat or something, I'll take some, you know, spray myself up, freshen up. It smells super clean and sharp, and this could really pass more as a cologne. This is super nice, super fresh. Like I said, all 3 are good, but this is my favorite, followed by the green, ending up with the red. Next up, we have 2 different styling products. We have a hair tonic and a sea salt spray. So the hair tonic I'm gonna use really for a smoothing spray. Sometimes you can put hair tonic in wet hair. It will keep that hair wet longer for scissor cuts and things like that. You can apply it before blow drying, and it's gonna act as a heat protectant and just help to smooth the hair, get rid of some of that frizz. It's not really gonna do a lot of hold, but something you can add for styling, add one of these other products on top for that finished look. And sea salt spray, if you're not familiar with this, guys, sea salt spray is gonna add a lot of texture. So you're gonna put it into the hair wet, you're gonna dry it, and the grit from the sea salt is gonna work its way into the hair and just add a lot of texture. So not something I use a lot. You guys know I do textured looks, but I like to use more wet products. I don't know why I said wet products. These are all wet products really, but instead of this, I'll just do wet hair, add some of this product, go in and blow dry it, and get it to my desired style. So sea salt spray is a big thing for a lot of barbers. I know my guy JT loves it, Markel loves it, a lot of you guys love it, so you're gonna wanna check this one out. But that's pretty much it for the line, guys. So sea salt spray tonic, 1, 2, 3 aftershave, we'll put them in that order. And we do have these 5 styling products that you guys can see here. So like I said, if you guys wanna pick any of these up, head to tomb45.com/Seancutshair to save 10%. You don't have to put that last part, but you won't save 10%. You guys can pick all these up, and I believe wholesale is coming. It is in the works. You guys can sign up to get a wholesale account with Tomb45 and get these for even cheaper for you guys to sell to your clients. And if you guys aren't selling product to your clients, you are missing out. That can be maybe 50 to 100 bucks a day sometimes if you can move that to your clients. You're using it on them, you're styling their hair in a way that they feel like they can't do, so you educate them how to do it, show them what you use, and they're gonna wanna pick that up so they can do it at home. But anyway, guys, that is it for the unboxing. You'll see these in some videos moving forward. I promise you guys I'm doing my best to put some videos out. It's just gotten so hard. It's been so many years of doing this, but I'm gonna find a way. We'll see. I just gotta find something that's easier for me to do throughout everything that I have going on these days. I might start documenting trips, trying to throw together whatever kind of content I can put out. You guys leave me a comment down below if you have any ideas of what I can do that you want to see. I've done tutorials forever and ever and ever. I have every haircut that there is. That game is kind of over. I think that ship has sailed. I'll do one here and there, but I want to bring you guys content. I want to bring you guys, you know, the knowledge that I have, whatever I can do to share and help you guys grow in your career. Like I said, I want to do some vlog type style content when I'm going around to all these hair shows, unboxings when I get stuff. But if you guys have any ideas, drop it down below. Otherwise, I appreciate you guys watching. Smash that thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Check out these products at tomb45.com. Leave me a comment and let me know what you're looking to check out. I'll catch you guys in another video, hopefully real soon.
Let's go.